Today, we'll be dragging some habits that is secretly killing your hustles. If you have been hustling but nothing is moving, money no dey, motivation too low, check this list. One or two might be the reason why you are not moving forward but stuck. Number one, starting everything, finishing nothing. You see one hustle, you rush. Tomorrow, new trend, you switch. You have tried everything but succeeded in none. Pick one thing, stay with it 30 to 60 days before jumping to another thing. Real success takes focus, not speed. Number two, always waiting for motivation. You say, I'm not in the mood, but success does not wait for you to be in that mood. Imagine waiting for you to be in that mood before you could study for your exams. Show up even when it's not convenient. That is how momentum builds. Number three, doing it alone, never asking for help. You want to start a business, grow online, learn design, but you never ask questions. Never ask communities, never connect with people who know more. You grow faster when you ask YouTube, ChatGPT, mentors, and even free Telegram group can save you from stress and loss of profits. Number four, comparing yourself too much. One person started 2 months ago and they have blown up. Me, I've been hustling and nothing is working. Stop comparing yourself to others. Rather, use their success as a motivation for you to start again. Please note this. Everyone is different. Don't pressure yourself. When it's your time, it will show. Number five, not treating your hustle like a real business. You treat it like a game. No real plan, no learning, no accountability. You post only when you feel like. Whether you are reselling data or creating content, treat it like a business. Keep record, stay consistent, keep your branding. These habits look small, but they silently decrease your hustle. If you are serious about winning this 2025, fix them now. Drop a comment which habits hit you the most. And if you love real hustle talk like this, don't forget to like, to share, to subscribe, and to comment. See you in my next video. Don't forget, it's still your girl, Naija Side Hustle Gist. Bye.